What's the meaning of androgynous? Androgynous. 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 Androgynous.
The term androgynous refers to a person or being that has both masculine and feminine characteristics, or a gender that is not easily defined as exclusively male or female. An androgynous individual may exhibit physical and behavioral traits that are typically associated with both genders, or they may present in a manner that is gender-neutral or ambiguous. This can manifest in various ways, including fashion choices, body language, speech patterns, and social interactions. Ultimately, being androgynous means rejecting strict societal norms about gender and embracing a more fluid, open-minded approach to self-expression.